chasing after art is so important, and finding a community of people that believe that and who are also striving to make good art.
That's what it should be about.
I think the best thing about the curriculum is the hands-on sort of environment. If you're working on learning how to use the camera, you turn the camera on, you go outside and you use it.
There's spaces where you can record music if you want to. There's editing bays where you can edit your projects if you don't have that kind of software yourself. They always do their best to make it possible for you to make what you want to make.
The faculty is just amazing. They absolutely know what they're doing, and if you have a question or a problem or want to know how to do something, they can help you find very efficient and very useful ways of getting that done.
They are always rooting for us and trying to help us go where we want to go, whether you want to go to Hollywood or you want to go somewhere else.
It's just amazing to talk to someone who thinks on the same wavelength I do.
I want to make stuff that shows the truth. And JPCatholic was sort of the answer to that through providing a safe space to be an artist with other Catholic students.
This school taught me that my passions to create art are from God.
You get to fully give yourself up for the audience that is seeing you tell the story. So it actually comes from servitude and humility.
I see business as an opportunity to show Christ to others through their actions, through giving back to the community, through their companies, through their presence in the workplace.
Art and creativity are definitely a form of prayer. They're a way of growing your relationship with God. You can use your talents, your skills in these artistic mediums to not only help yourself grow in your relationship with God, but to help others.
Whether it's adoration or Mass every day on campus, there are so many things that students can do to meet Christ in their everyday life, which is so important because our motto is to impact culture for Christ, and you have to know him to do that.
Pope St. John Paul II once said, "Those who see point to him." We are the ones who see, and here we're learning how to point to him.